I work on the beach. I work on the beach. I lie on the beach. I lie on the beach. This is a crab. This is a crab. This is a shell. This is a shell. I sit near the water. I sit near the water. I swim in the sea. I swim in the sea. This is a seagull. This is a seagull. This is a starfish. This is a starfish. I look at the waves. I look at the waves. I take photos. I take photos. I wear a hat. I wear a hat. This is a shovel. This is a shovel. This is a sandcastle. This is a sandcastle. I dig in the sand. I dig in the sand. This is an umbrella. This is an umbrella. This is a sunscreen. This is a sunscreen. I collect shells. I collect shells. I play in the water. I play in the water. I eat ice cream. I eat ice cream. I look at the sky. I look at the sky. I swim in the ocean. I swim in the ocean. I lie in the sun. I lie in the sun. I sit on a towel. I sit on a towel. I play with sand. I play with sand. I watch the birds. I watch the birds. I relax in the sun. I relax in the sun.
Thank you for watching. Keep practicing these verbs. See you next week.